Okay, we're going to perform the indirect antiglobulin test. So for this one, we'll be needing here the resistant suspension of the patient. So we have also here the serum of the plasma of the patient. Okay, then we have also here your negative control with the LISS. Then we have also here your anti-human globulin. This is your green na anti-sera. Okay, so again, your indirect antiglobulin test would detect for the in vitro sensitization of our resins. So we're going to prepare here 2 test tubes labeled this one as your unknown or your patient sample. And we have also here your negative control. Okay, for your unknown, so we'll be adding here the 2 drops. So 2 drops of the serum or the plasma of the patient. So okay, then also add here your resins. Oh, this is O, resin suspension. Okay, that will be another 2 drops of your O resin suspension for both your unknown. Okay, and even your negative control. Okay, for the negative control, you add here your LISS. So instead of the bovine albumin, we don't have the bovine albumin, so we'll be using this one, LISS as our negative control. So we have the 2 drops. Okay, then try to mix that one. Okay, and incubate. We're going to incubate this one at 37 degrees Celsius here for 15 minutes. Okay, so after 15 minutes incubation, we're going to centrifuge this one to observe for an agglutination reaction. Observe centrifuge this one for 15 seconds at 3,400 RPM. Okay, then try to observe here for agglutination reaction. Okay, so this one would have your negative. Okay, for our unknown tube, so it's also have your negative na result. Okay, next here, we proceed with saline washing for 3 times. So I'll be adding NSS. Okay, then try to mix well here by inversion. Okay, and then we try to centrifuge, okay, for 3,400 RPM for 5 minutes. Okay, so after centrifugation, we're going to decant. Okay, naka-compact dito. So, just like this one. We will going to decant. Make sure you decant completely. Okay, so ayan, may naiwan pa. So, we'll try to mix this one. Okay, you perform here sa line washing for 3 times. So, after the third wash, we're going to add your anti-human globulin. So, 2 drops then. Okay, then try to mix again. Okay, and we centrifuge this one to observe for an agglutination reaction. So, 15 seconds lang din na incubation na centrifuge. Okay, then after 15 seconds centrifugation, so just need to grade an agglutination reaction, but we need to resuspend. Okay, For the unknown true here, so okay, this one would have your negative na result. For the negative control, so okay, so this also negative na result. Supposedly, dapat after yung antiglobulin and if the result is negative, mag-add tayo ng check cell natin as our positive control, but we don't have the check cells. So, dapat pa nag-add tayo ng check cells. Check cells here parang ano din reagent. Pag nag-add tayo ng check cell, dapat after addition of that, from previously negative, dapat magkakaroon na siya ng positive reaction. So, like for example, if you add your check cell, negative pa din ang result, mean to say there's an error with your procedure. So, that's it for our indirect antiglobulin test.